Okay, so I'm just going to focus on some BMI and BMI2 instructions now. So going into tests, I think first I'll focus on this ANDN instruction. So we've got ANDN, and this has RVM operand encoding, where we've got two registers, and then the M operand, which can be register or memory for 32 bits and 64 bits. So for this one, I think we'll just use, let's say, ECX, EDX, and then EBX or something. And then this last one here, we'll just use RBX as the memory. And then we'll do the same thing, but this time for 64-bit. Let's just regenerate that listing to make sure it's all okay. So ANDN, we'll just take into the encoder tests. So we've got ANDN here. These are D word. We've got CX, DX, and BX, where these two are memory accesses. And then these two bottom ones are keywords. And I'll need to add the mnemonic and an entry to the forms table. Okay, so for the form, I want to match on, these both have the same opcode, but it differs between having W1 and W0. So for this one, we'll do a match on D word. And the op-n for this is RVM. So we've got op1 is register. Op2 is also a register, and then op3 can be register or memory. Then we've got a map. So map is 3.8. Then we've got the opcode, which is OXF2, and then for this one, W is not set. But for the next one, which will match on keyword, W is set. So this is W1. Oh, and I need to set the family to VEX. Okay, so that's ANDN. Next one will be BEXTR, which is down here. So this is bit field extract. So this is basically the same form, but it's instead of RVM, it's RMV. So just these two operands have switched around. So we'll just put this here. This is a bit field extract. May as well just copy this one. And we'll copy these tests, but we'll change it around so that this is now the last operand. So this is BEXTR. That's all okay. So let's just do a test. Okay, so I need to add it to the encoder tests as well. We'll just take these. So this is BEXTR. We'll move DX over to the next operand slot. Okay, so now we get the incorrect output. So I just need to change the forms here. So this is, instead of RVM, this is RMV. Then op2 can be memory, but op3 must be a register in this case. And here it's got the same map and everything, but this is F7. I don't have RMV. Okay, so I've got RVM. Let's just add it here. We've got RMV. So RMV is going to be a slightly different one. We need RMV. So we'll just switch around these two here. Okay, so that's a bit field extract. Next is BZHI. So this is a 0 high bit starting with a specified bit position. This is the same operand encoding that we've just used, so I'll just copy the tests for bit field extract. And we'll regenerate that listing again. Go to the encoder test. I can just take a copy of these ones. So this is BZHI. BZHI, and then we'll just add the mnemonic here. Okay, so this one is the same thing again, but it's just F5 as the opcode. Okay. Another one, another BMI instruction is MULX. So let's go and look for MULX down here. This one has the same form as ANDN here. So this is MULX. Let's just regenerate listings. Encoder test. We'll take ANDN. Put it below BZHI. Change this to MULX. And let's go look at the forms for these. I'll just copy ANDN since it's the same form, sort of like shape. Okay, so now this one is F6. And it has a prefix of F2 as well, actually. So, yeah, okay, so in this case, we've got map. This needs a prefix of F2, and instead of F2 as the opcode, this is F6 as the opcode. Okay, so that's MULX. Another one to do would be parallel bits deposit. So, you know, again, same form layout here. So I think I can just take MULX again. This one is a PDEP. So this is the same, yeah, I think it's the same as MULX. So this is just PDEP. Let's regenerate listings. I need to actually add the tests here. This is PDEP. Okay, so this one has F5 with F2 as a prefix. So I'll just change that to F5. Okay, that one works. Next one is parallel bits extract. So this is the same thing, but it's an F3 prefix. So I may as well just copy PDEP here. This is extract, but instead of a prefix of F2, it's F3. So let's just add this here. Then in the encoder test, we'll just copy these. Let's go and add the mnemonic. Regenerate listings, do a test. Okay, that one's all fine. Then there's a bunch of rotates and shifts to do. So these are the ones which end with an X. So for example, there's rotate right logical without affecting flags. This is with the X, and this is BMI2. So this is the same layout as, let's just go test here. This is the same layout as, for example, BZHI, but the end here is an immediate 8. So we'll just put 7F in here. And this is rotate X. That all seems okay. So let's just go to the tests. We'll take BZHI, put this in, rotate right X, and then we'll change DX here for I with OX 7F. Okay, just to add that, then we'll just take the BZHI in the form table here. But instead of RMV, this is going to be RMI, and the third operand can't be a register, it has to be an immediate 8. And in this case, we've got F2 as the prefix, so we need a prefix, which is F2, and this map is actually 3A instead of 3.8. Then we've got F0 as the opcode. So let's just try that test. Okay, that's all fine for that. Then we've got the various shifts with X on the end. So these are the BMI shift ones, which are these. And so it looks like, are any of these? Yeah, okay. All right, so for example, with these ones, there's obviously like an alias of one of them, but this is just 3 instructions, so they're all separate things anyway, so that's fine. So this is the same layout, RMV. We'll just take another RMV one, like BZHI, and then put it 3 times down here. So here we'll do it in the order that it says here. So this is SARX, then we've got shift left X, and then shift right X as well. So we'll just fill in these forms while I'm on the table. So we've got for SARX, so this is the 32-bit and this is the 64-bit. So for SARX, we've got F3 as the prefix. So we'll just go and add a prefix to these. This is prefix F3. This one, shift left X, is the prefix 66. And then this final one here is F2. And they all have the opcode F7. And then the 64-bit versions have W1 set, so that's already okay here. Then we've got register memory, and then register, so that seems like it's all okay as well. So then we'll just add the mnemonics over here. And then we'll go and do some tests. So the tests will basically be the same as BZHI. We'll just copy these over here. So this one will be SARX. Then we've got another one for shift left X, and then we've got shift right X as well. Yeah, and then we just need to add the encoder tests. So we'll just take BZHI again, put it below here. So this one is SARX. Then we've got shift left X, and then we've got shift right X. So let's just regenerate the listing, do the go tests, and that will pass us. Okay, so that was just a few extra BMI and BMI2 instructions.